Sprocket, are you hearing this? Keela floated in the cockpit of the Stardust cruiser, her eyes wide. Instead of the usual static or scientific data transmissions, the communications satellite was broadcasting a cacophony of chicken clucks set to a disco beat. ComSat 7 is supposed to relay important intergalactic weather reports, not barnyard dance music. Her robotic companion, Sprocket, a gleaming chrome sphere with blinking lights, whirred in agreement. My analysis confirms a significant malfunction, Keela. The trajectory of the music is funky. Keela giggled, strapping on her helmet. Well, there's only one way to fix a funky satellite. Keela prepared her tools for the spacewalk. We're going to have to get out there and see what's causing this astronomical absurdity. Keela was ready for the challenge. Keela pushed off from the airlock, tethered to her ship, with Sprocket hovering beside her. The silence of space was a stark contrast to the disco clucking still faintly audible through her helmet's comms. The satellite, a magnificent contraption of solar panels and antennae, was rotating slowly, twinkling against a backdrop of distant constellations. As Keela got closer, she noticed something odd. The main transmitter dish was vibrating, and a faint, fuzzy purple glow emanated from within. "That's peculiar," Keela murmured, adjusting her magnetic boots to cling to the satellite's hull. Sprocket extended a scanner arm. "Energy readings are unstable, Keela, and I am detecting giggling." Keela squinted, peering into the dish. It wasn't just a glow, it was a pulsating, fluffy mass of something she had never seen before. "They're cosmic dust bunnies," Keela exclaimed, her voice a mix of astonishment and amusement. Inside the transmitter dish, a whole colony of tiny, shimmering purple fluff balls were bouncing on the sensitive electronics. Each bounce created a tiny spark, which was scrambling the signal into the ridiculous chicken song. As if they knew they were being watched, several of the dust bunnies wiggled and let out tiny, high-pitched giggles that vibrated through the satellite's frame. "Sprocket, the manual doesn't have a protocol for a ticklish infestation," Keela reported, trying to suppress her own laughter. "Indeed," Sprocket buzzed. "Standard decontamination procedures are insufficient for a problem of this adorable nature." Keela couldn't just blast them out. They were living creatures. Keela needed a gentle, clever solution. An idea sparked in Keela's mind, as bright as a newborn star. "Sprocket, I need the sonic sweeper, but reverse the polarity and set it to the lowest frequency. We're not going to blow them away, we're going to hum them away." Sprocket's lights blinked inquisitively, but the robot complied, handing Keela the modified tool. Keela aimed the device carefully at the cosmic dust bunnies. Instead of a blast of air, it emitted a low, soothing hum, like a cosmic lullaby. The giggling stopped. The dust bunnies paused their bouncing, their little fluff quivering. One by one, they floated out of the dish, mesmerized by the sound. They drifted together in a sleepy, shimmering cloud. Keela gently guided the floating purple puffballs into a special containment jar, where they immediately fell asleep. With the last dust bunnies safely contained, the satellite immediately fell silent. The disco clucking was replaced by the calm, steady beep of a properly functioning data stream. "Mission accomplished, Sprocket," Keela cheered, giving the robot a high five that clanged softly in the vacuum of space. Back inside the Stardust cruiser, Keela placed the jar of sleeping cosmic dust bunnies on the dashboard. They looked like a miniature purple nebula. "We'll find a nice, quiet asteroid for them to live on, somewhere they can't interfere with communications," Keela decided. As the ship turned for home, Keela put on her own favorite music. She and Sprocket had a zero-gravity dance party, celebrating another successful and uniquely silly day of keeping the galaxy connected and running smoothly.